Today we're going to cause a chemical reaction between two different household chemicals. This reaction that we're going to produce is a fairly mild one. It is going to give you an example of a reaction nonetheless. Now what we're going to mix is calcium chloride with sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is also known as baking soda, probably in the back of your refrigerator now. We're going to take equal amounts of calcium chloride and bicarbonate, mix them together in the bag, and then we're going to add a little bit of water to that. When we add the water to it, that's when the reaction is going to start. What we're going to produce in that reaction is four different things. First, calcium carbonate, which is basically sidewalk chalk. Next, a little bit of water, some salt, and a lot of carbon dioxide. So let's get started here. First, I'm going to put my goggles on, take the top off of my calcium chloride, use my measuring cup. Make sure that I have a different measuring cup for each chemical I use because I don't want any cross-contamination in my measuring cup. And then I'm going to add that to my Ziploc bag. Put the cap back on because we always want to err on the side of safety. Now I'm going to take an equal amount, a quarter cup of my sodium bicarbonate. Again, a quarter cup. I'm going to add that to the same Ziploc bag and I'm going to zip the top shut. Put my cap back on the bicarbonate. Now I'm just going to shake it up so it all mixes together nicely. Put it in there and stir it up good. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my water. Here I have 80 milliliters of water in a beaker. I'm just going to set that down inside of there, and I'm going to close the zip top most of the way closed. I'm going to do this and not close it all the way so I can squeeze out any air that I have in this Ziploc bag. Get out as much as I possibly can, and then zip the top shut. Once the top is zipped shut, I'm going to spill the water so our reaction can begin. So I dump it over, get the contents of the bag wet, and the reaction begins. Right now what we have is two chemicals mixed together with water, fizzing, producing the carbon dioxide, producing a little bit of salt, a little bit of water, and again, of course, turning it carbonate. As you can see, my bag is inflating. It's inflating from the carbon dioxide that we're producing inside the bag. Still got a ways to go here as it fills. Hopefully this bag doesn't explode. I've had a couple of them where they've just kind of popped on me. But right now, as you can see, I have a completely full Ziploc bag that we had squeezed the air out of, and again, it's filled with the carbon dioxide that was produced in the reaction between these two chemicals, calcium chloride, sodium bicarbonate, and just a little bit of water.